Adventurous soul. Imagine a place where the golden sands stretch as far as the eye can see, where the sun kisses the dunes, creating a magical dance of light and shadow. This is not just a description of a dream, but a real place on earth, the magnificent dunes of Dubai. As a fellow wanderer, I urge you to embark on a journey to experience these dunes, not just for their breathtaking beauty, but for the soulful journey they offer. Dubai, known for its futuristic skyline and luxurious lifestyle, hides within its heart an ancient and timeless landscape, the desert. The dunes here are not just piles of sand, they are the epitome of nature's artistry. Each grain of sand tells a story of time, of winds that have sung melodies for centuries. To witness the sunrise or sunset over these dunes is to experience a moment of pure, unadulterated bliss. The way the light plays with the sand, creating hues of gold, orange, and red, is a spectacle that words can barely do justice. But it's not just the visual splendor that makes the Dubai dunes a must-visit. It's the silence and the solitude that envelop you, offering a rare chance to disconnect from the clamor of daily life and connect with yourself. In the vastness of the desert, you find a unique peace, a tranquility that seeps into your soul. It's like the dunes whisper ancient secrets, telling you tales of the nomads who once roamed these lands, of the caravans that traversed the Silk Route, leaving behind legends and lore. The dunes also offer a playground for the adventurous. Imagine yourself dune bashing in a 4x4, the adrenaline rushing as you navigate the ever-changing landscape, or perhaps sandboarding down the slopes, feeling the wind in your hair and the thrill in your heart. And as the day ends, settle down in a Bedouin camp, under a canopy of stars. The night sky in the desert is an unrivaled spectacle. The stars shine brighter here, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a shooting star, making this surreal experience even more magical. But beyond the adventure and the beauty, what makes the Dubai dunes truly special is the sense of timelessness they offer. In the desert, time seems to stand still. It's a place where you can reflect, dream, and be inspired. The dunes have seen civilizations rise and fall, yet they stand tall, unaffected by the passage of time. They remind you of the beauty of perseverance, of the strength that lies in stillness. So, dear traveler, I urge you to visit the dunes of Dubai, not just to see them, but to experience them. Let them awaken in you a sense of wonder and peace. Let them inspire you to dream bigger, to live louder. The dunes are not just a destination, they are a journey into the heart of nature, and perhaps, into your own heart. May your travels be safe, your experiences rich, and your heart open to the endless possibilities that the world has to offer.